this a couple of times. I'll just color this part. Just going to, this is 12 inches long. It's a 12 inch. So cold. And as you can see, it laid so flat. Meanwhile, I'm going to make this into, I don't know if I should make it into a side part. Let's just see. If I want it as a, I don't know if I look good with side parts. Middle parts I usually make. I'm the middle part type of girl. Like, middle part is my thing. I look much better. I feel more myself when I have a middle part going on. I don't know, that's just I think my face was made for a middle part. Not that a side part wouldn't be good for my face, don't get me wrong. So because I washed the hair, I have to comb through it, and I don't know where my comb thingy is that I usually hold it with, but yeah, that's what I need. It's straightening it. Look at that. Yes, please. Oh my goodness, yes. Look at how flat that side is. You know what I feel this is giving? It's giving rich Nigerian auntie.